Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need to confirm compatibility and get both devices ready. First, turn on your TV's Miracast or screen mirroring mode and keep it visible. On your phone or Windows laptop, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and quit streaming apps to free resources. Once done, open the Cast or Project menu. On Android, look for Cast in Quick Settings. On Windows, press Windows +K or Open Project Settings and choose Add Wireless Display. This starts discovery and prepares the devices to pair. After your device finds the TV, select its name to initiate the session. You'll often see a pairing prompt or PIN on the TV. Enter it on your device or confirm the code to verify the link. Make sure to accept permission requests on both ends so the devices can share audio and video. You can pick screen-only mirroring if you want an exact image copy, or allow audio and extended display for media playback. Wait for the connection tone or indicator that confirms streaming. To finish, stop casting from your phone or laptop and press disconnect on the TV if needed. This cleanly ends the session. If you notice lag, stutter, or frequent drops, reduce the streaming resolution, move the devices closer, and turn off VPNs or bandwidth-heavy apps. Once done, make sure firmware and drivers are updated. If problems persist, reset network settings on both devices, reboot the TV and source, then repair. That often clears stubborn Miracast handshake issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.